Very good evening, dear students. I hope you all are well and are completing your work on time. So today we are going to start with our literature portion. We are going to start with lesson number 5, Knock Knock, Who's There, which is on monthly term book number 5. So I request all of you to take out your monthly term book number 5 and turn to page number 6. Today we are going to do chapter number 5, Knock Knock, Who's There? I hope you're ready now. So let's begin. Look at the picture given below. A stranger is trying to talk to a little girl. The little girl may get into danger. Can you guess how she may get into the danger? So girls, here you can see the image of a man, a stranger is there and he's trying to offer something to this little girl. So I hope you remember your elders, your parents, and your teachers, that is us. We always tell you that you're not supposed to take anything from any stranger. So even if they give you toffee, sweets, or chocolates, or any attractive goodies, so you're supposed to say no, or just politely say, no, sir, thank you so much, but I don't need this. So why we tell you all these things? There is a reason for that, because this particular person here, he may take this girl somewhere and then may ask some amount from her parents in return of this child. So it's not good, to take anything from any stranger. You just say no. That's what we always tell you. So this lesson is all about this only. So we'll just read and find out what happens in the lesson. Okay. Devina's mother is going to the market. What instructions does she give Devina? Does Devina follow her mother's instructions? Read on to find out. So here in this lesson we have two characters, main characters, that is Devina, this little girl, and her mother. So here what is happening is Devina's mother is going to the market and she is giving her few instructions that what she is supposed to do and what she is not supposed to do. Okay, so let's read. Devina is playing a game on her computer. Her mother enters, dressed to go out. Devina, I'm going to the market. I will be gone for an hour. Please be careful. Don't open the door to anyone you don't know. Don't worry, mummy. I'll be careful. So here what's happening is Devina is playing game on her computer and her mother has come and she's all dressed up to go out to the market, and she tells her, she guides her, she gives her instructions that see, I'm going to the market and I'll be gone for an hour. An hour means for 1 hour. Okay, and she's telling her, please be careful, don't open the door to anyone, just stay inside. So she is very confidently telling her mom that, mama, don't worry, I'll be very careful, you go and come back. So let's find out what happens next. Devina's mother leaves. Devina continues to play the game on her computer. So you can see that she is playing game on her computer and Devina's mother has already left. So now she is all alone at her home. Shortly the doorbell rings. Devina goes towards the door. Who's there? I am the delivery man from the store. I have come to deliver the things your mother had ordered. So now what happens? After some time, the doorbell rings and Devina goes to the door and she is asking from inside that who's there? So the delivery man from the outside, he says that, see ma'am, I'm the delivery man from the store and I have come to deliver some things which your mother had ordered. So you can see the things which are in his hands. He had come to deliver the order. So then Devina climbs up onto a stool and peers through the peephole. So you can see that Devina has now climbed up onto the stool and she's peering through the peephole. So peers means to look carefully. So she's looking very carefully through this peephole. Peephole is a small hole on the door or through a wall, which through which you can look without being seen. So you can she can see, look from here, very she's looking very carefully through the peephole. She's looking from here who's outside, but the man who is standing outside, he can't see whether she's looking or not. Okay, so that is what peephole is for. And then she's telling this delivery man that, see sir, I don't have money to pay you. Come back later, please. So she's told him that I don't have money right now. You can come back later. Okay. So then let's see what happens. So then the delivery man says that okay, I'll come back later. So then Devina settles down in front of the television and starts watching her favorite cartoon show. The phone rings. No, now you can see that she has settled down over here and she's watching her favorite cartoon show. And then what happens? The phone rings. Devina runs to pick up the phone. Hello, this is Devina speaking. No, Auntie, Mummy is not here. Yes, Auntie, I can take down the message. Starts writing on the writing pad. Okay, Auntie, bye. So then she comes and picks up the phone, and then some auntie has called up and she wanted to speak to her mother. So then Devina tells her that, oh, no, auntie, I'm so sorry, my mama is not at home, but I can definitely take down the message. So she takes up the notepad and she writes the message which was given by the auntie. Okay, and then Devina goes back to watching television. I hope no one disturbs me now. Mummy is not here, so I can watch as much television as I want. Let me get some chips to eat. Gets up and goes. So then what happens? She comes back and she sits to watch the television, and then she's thinking that okay, now I hope that no one disturbs me now. Now I want to watch television peacefully, as mummy is also not here, so I can watch television as much as I can. So then what happens? She then thinks, okay, let me just eat some, get some chips and eat them. So then she gets up and goes to get the chips, and then she returns back with a packet of chips and sits down again to watch the television. Shortly, tring tring, then what happens when she's eating the chips? Then again the doorbell rings. So then thinks, oh no, not again. Let me see who is it now. So then she then asks, who's there? So then what happens? The postman, that is Suresh, he says from outside that it's me, Suresh, the postman. I have a letter for you. So then Devina again climbs up onto a stool and peers through the peephole. She recognizes the postman. So now when she is looking at the looking through the peephole, she recognizes recognizes means to know and remember someone or something. So she recognizes the postman, that okay, this is the postman who always comes to our house to deliver the letters. So then what happens? Devina first puts the door chain and then opens the door. She puts out her hand. You can give me the letter, but I need a signature, Devina. Call your mother. So then what happens? What she does is she puts a chain from inside, door chain. See, because door chain is something which is, you know, attached to the door, and then when you're putting the door chain, you put one end of the door chain on the door and the other end on the wall. So only a little bit, a little part of the door is only open, not the full door is open. So only the hand can go out. So you can see it in the image that she has, you know, put out her hand and she is asking her, okay, you can give me the letter, I will give it to my mom. So but then the Suresh, the postman, he says that, oh, but Devina, I need a signature that okay, you have collected the letter, that your mother needs to sign it. So then what happens? And at that time Devina sees her mother. She has come back from the market. So then she says from inside itself that my mother is behind you only, she will sign it. So Devina unhooks the door chain, seeing her mother, and then what happens? Her mother signs and takes the letter, and then the postman goes. Then Devina's mother, she's so happy, she hugs Devina and she tells her that thank you, Devina. I can see you have been following all my instructions. What a good girl you are. And she gives Devina a hug. So she is praising her now that Devina, you're such a good girl. You followed all the instructions I had given you. You did not open the door to the strangers. I'm so happy. So she's, you know, hugging her and giving her all the love. So I hope, girls, the lesson is clear to you. This lesson also gives a message that you're not supposed to, you know, talk to strangers or open the doors when you're at home. So these days I'm pretty sure most of the students are alone at home and the parents are going for work. So I am pretty sure that they also give you the instructions that okay, see, you attend the online classes if anyone is there, or if anyone comes, don't open the door. Just don't say anything. If even if there is something, you can say that, okay, ma'am or sir, you can come back later. So I hope the message is also very clear to you.